What you're looking at here is a Fasco Charleston. Antique brass, walnut blades, 4 blades, dated November 1989. I just plucked this out of an abandoned mental hospital. So it's fresh. Anyway, when I found it, it was sitting on a table in the basement of some dingy old building. So, took it. Now it's mine. Now we're going to see how it performs, starting on low. One nice thing about Charlestons is they have an aesthetic low speed. It's almost an aesthetic low speed, akin to Casablanca. Now to medium. The motor has a bit of bearing noise, which is typical for an abandoned fresh fan. You may also notice that the switch housing is vibrating a bit. I need to fix that. Now to high. Yep. Annoying vibrating switch housing. It's probably why they stopped using it. Of course, if you hold it, noise goes away. But that's no fun now, is it? So that needs to be fixed. Now we're going to turn it off. The bearings have a bit of hissing to them. The fan still runs rather smoothly, or relatively so. I'll probably end up replacing the bearings, as well as the washers. Holding it up. There's a stupid screw. I don't know how the hell you got it there. There it is. As you can see, the reverse switch is in the vent. Yep. So now we're just going to start from high. Yeah, that vibration is incredibly annoying. By the way, this is what we call a third generation Charleston, judging by the rounded switch cap and ball socket canopy. They're very common, however, not so much in the northeastern United States. They just don't exist up here. And there you have it, an abandoned fresh Fasco Charleston.